All right. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Booyah shaka, bitch. Bambú, son pájaros, cabrona, deja de ladrar. Yo, hello everybody. Pedro, how are you? Country cousin. Mr. Piz. I don't know. Bambú! Mr. Piz, I don't know. No. Why would you want to sell gold? It's so fucking strong. That's a dumb fucking move. I mean, you want to sell gold because it's almost at all-time highs. Well, that's fucking dumb. That's all I can tell you. All right, so the market is about to open. I do have a buy limit in gold right here. This is for my VIPs only. Yeah. So yesterday, everybody that was on my show got that crude oil for free, and we banged on that one. This trade right here, sniper entry. My entry was actually here. Booyah shaka. Here, bam, sniper entry. You all saw that trade. Very, very good. If you want my trades, man, I mean, if you want to trade with me every day and want all my fucking trades, uh, if you want all my fucking trades, just subscribe to my VIP group, mate. I mean, that trade alone would have paid for your VIP subscription. I mean, I don't know. I'm just telling you. I'm gonna keep showing you. I'm gonna send you the link. I don't have, and I will not have any discount code, so don't wait for that. Yeah, but that trade alone will have paid for your yearly VIP. I mean, for 1 year of VIP signals. So yeah. All right. So the market's about to open in less than a minute. I'm looking for U.S. equities long. I don't know if we're going to get the desired pullback. This is looking very strong. Nevertheless, I am going to place some buy limits on. Let's see, on the S&P 500. Right now, the market just opened. The market just opened. So we are in that kill zone. um, I'm going to place some right here at the break of the structure. This is where I dig my buy limits on this market. I'm gonna place them right now. Oh, um, on the spools. Well, not the spools, right? The spools is the S&P, the S&P 500 futures. I am using a CFD called the SPX 500. So right here, yeah, we do have a breaker already mitigated though. I don't know if I'm gonna get filled. Hey man, is Canada buy limit still valid? I don't know. What USD Canada buy limit? I don't think so. Mm, I don't know. What USD CAD buy limit? I don't remember. Mm, Euro USD. Yeah, I'm also looking for US dollar shorts, right? But I need a pullback. I'm not gonna trade the short side on the US dollar for on a buy here at these highs. I need a pullback. The Japanese yen on the other side. Hold on. The Japanese yen on the other side. I'm still short the pound yen since last week. With the swing trading group not closing that one. Very. I mean, the open is super. I mean, there's nothing to do here, man. Other than wait, right? Other than wait. I don't know. I'm gonna wait because I mean, we could get a deeper pullback towards these levels right here. We could, in fact, get a deeper pullback towards these levels. This is my optimal entry area, actually, to be honest with you. If you look at a 15-minute chart, this is the Nasdaq, right? This is the Nasdaq. Um, Very nice market structure shift here. Never got that pullback towards this 50-minute imbalance. Big, big imbalance right here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to place this entry right here. This is where I'm going to place that entry. Um, Kind of a ish swing trade, kind of a swing trade, but still, I'm gonna send it to the VAPs. Yeah, this is the one. So much liquidity all the way up here. So a 3.7 R. Yeah. This is not going to be a day trade, but still manages to be a swing, not a swing trade. So this is going to be for my VIPs. I'll send that later for my VIPs only. Right. Let's have a look at some other markets. I'm not gonna give you anything for free today, mate. Sorry. On format, you set buy limit on USD CAD. No, I didn't. So 2 days ago, USD CAD. No, I did not. Um, on March 4, I said USD CAD buy limit, US oil. No, I did not. Oh shit, I did. Um, no, let's delete that. All right, no longer valid anyway. Let's delete that. Uh, why don't you want to trade S&P 500 at 5, 51.45? I don't know. Let's have a look. 51.45. 51.45. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Yes. So you were talking about trading the short side on the S&P 500. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this market is so strong, mate, that I'd rather trade the upside on it, right? Um, right. Super strong. So, just by looking at historic price action on the 15-minute chart, just have a look at this. Although this downside was significant, not like this, right? But again, here we have a significant. Just looking at historic price action, we have a kind of a same significant. It's actually the same fucking uh, pattern. If you notice, significant downside, and then we get this leg up, which is this one right here, and then but then we get that pullback towards here, and we never get to that lower imbalance. So just because historic price action has showed me this, remove drawings, I'm going to trade this imbalance. Just because you made me look at historic price action, I'm gonna trade this imbalance today. Sorry about that. My allergies are acting up. Yeah, I'll dig it. Can you dig it? Oh man, I really dig it. And I'm going to target that imbalance. Yep. Only for my VIPs. Thank you, sir. So I'm gonna send my VIPs both the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Whichever gets triggered is the one that I'm trading. Yeah, I deleted because you're mostly a day trader and not keeping limits for my. Yeah, sorry about that, man. I forgot. So yeah, if you want my trades, you know what to do. Today is not the day you're getting free shit from me. But yeah, I mean the S&P and the Nasdaq look amazing. So this is going to be a very short and quick, um, show. I'm not going to make it longer. I do have a couple of trades to get involved in and send my VIPs. I don't know if I'm gonna get field gold. Probably not. This market is so strong. Probably today we're going to break our all-time highs. And on the U.S. dollar side, on the U.S. dollar side, mates, I'm looking for shorts on the USD. To be honest with you, this day I'm gonna go to the 15-minute chart on the DXY. I thought I was looking at the 15-minute chart. So basically, I don't have an exact zone, to be honest with you. Um, this was a possibility here of a short during the London session that I wouldn't. That I didn't take because not my setup, not my entry model, at all. But yeah, looking for shorts, mates. Um, not a very strong particular zone that I'm looking at here at all. But we will see what happens. We shall see what happens. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at on you know the the Euro USD, the USD CAD. So the USD CAD on the 50-minute chart, we have a displacement, massive break of the structure, and again break of the structure. Structure is bearish, to be honest with you. Tons of liquidity here. Now this is very good because we have a shit ton of liquidity. Oh, so yeah, my buy limit on the USD CAD was here. I remember. I deleted it. Yeah, this was my buy limit on the USD CAD. You know what? This is looking phenomenal, actually. You know what? This is exactly like, goddamn. But you know what? We do have Canadian overnight. Thank you, man, because we have the overnight rate in Canada in about 5 minutes. But this was exactly like yesterday's crude oil setup. Exactly the same fucking thing. Um, Although I should have been triggered here. I should have been triggered here. And yes, I remember that I deleted that order. Yep, I deleted that order. But you know what? That's fine. What do you think about Aussie yen? You know what? I don't trade the Aussie yen. But if I were to trade the Aussie yen, uh, if I were to trade the Aussie yen, that would be a Japanese yen driven trade, and I don't have a Japanese yen setup today. But let's have a look. Shit. Yeah, I don't trade the Aussie yen. Yeah, this is something I don't even look at. I have it here because of the F1 strategy. Okay, man. Um, yeah, so we have the overnight. You know what? I'm going to log in into my Squawk just because we do have ba- 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 mm, Canadian, BOC um, rate decision. Log in. And I said, God damn that Bible pushing, man.
Is widely expected to maintain the overnight rate steady again. An announcement on ending quantitative tightening is unlikely, but they expect that will follow later in April.
All right.
Language around the need for rate hikes further was already
Yeah.
dropped in January and is
I'm not gonna
unlikely
get.
to reappear in the statement. The central bank will instead continue to highlight softening in the aggregate demand, while reiterating that inflation pressures, although easing, are still a risk.
Boo, 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 boo. All right. So I'm not gonna get triggered long gold here. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. I'm not gonna delete my pending order though, even though my target is at 2150. Now, of course, I'm gonna delete my pending order at 2150. Shit. I mean, I've been trying to catch this move for a while now, but yesterday it was an F1 strategy, long setup that I missed again. I mean, this was beautiful, beautiful entry here. But today there wasn't an F1 strategy entry. There was not. Although, I mean, yes, there was. Ah, not the best one though. Not the best one though. But yeah, here is where I would have entered. Um, Not the best one though. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get triggered. So let's have a look here. We are 1 minute away from from the Bank of Canada. We're just going to
1 minute now.
yeah, we're just going to watch the fireworks together, and then I'm gonna log out. Because I do have a ton of stuff to send to my VAPs, 2 signals, 3 videos. Now, if you want everything that I do, I mean, I do send everything to my VAPs. I'm gonna fucking show you. This is the VIP group. I've sent the signals, with the explanation videos, etc., etc., etc. They get everything that's going on my head. So yeah, if you want everything every day from me, you know what to do. The link is in the chat. No, the link is in below this.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Let's watch the fireworks.
Hold at 5% for the Bank of Canada. That matches estimates. Macklem says it's still too early to consider lower rates. Expect inflation progress to be gradual and uneven.
All right,
Say they will
so
continue quantitative tightening.
The USD.
Underlying inflation pressures persist. No big surprises in data since a January decision. See some signs that wage pressures are easing.
So very bullish for the for the Canadian dollar. Well, not very, kind of a bullish for the Canadian dollar. Nothing to do here. Just yeah. I don't know if the CAD is going to be strong enough to keep on with this bearish move on the USD CAD, but yep, Euro CAD, same thing, right? If we go to the pound CAD, this is all CAD driven moves. CAD yen, that should be to the upside, exactly. Boom, boom. All right. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so what do you think about sell your cat? No, that's chasing, mate. That is chasing the market. You're gonna get fucked. Don't chase the market, mate. You already missed that move if it actually is going to be bearish. But I don't know if the cat is going to be strong enough to keep on, um, keep on that bearish move. More so because if you look at the top left of my screen, the US dollar is very bearish. The USD is very, very bearish right there. So, yeah, because the USD is very bearish, let's look at the USD CAD. Because the USD is very bearish, right? That is bearish pressure on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. But because of right now the Canadian dollar spiking on the Bank of Canada holding rates at 5%, I think. I don't know. Yes, at 5%, then that is also bearish pressure for the USD CAD. So I don't know if this is going to keep on breaking lower. I'm sorry if this is going to, bounce from this level. Sorry, I need a cup of coffee. Will the job openings impact the market greatly? I don't know, man. But any job data does. So what I'm looking at here is for that data to hit the markets. For example, here, Jolt's opening, we are looking at best jobs, that the previous month. So what I'm looking at here is that data to hit and get even lower for it to bring the S&P 500 down for me to get triggered. So that's how I use news to trade the market. The way that most people try to trade the news is, waiting for the news and reacting to the number and buying or selling. But that's burning money because you're never going to be able to act on milliseconds, right? More so, your broker is not an institutional broker that's going to you're going to get a shit ton of slippage. That's not how you trade the news. The way that you trade the news is using the volatile move to get triggered on your trade idea. So at least that's how I do it. Porque pues señora, así hombre, así sí, así, así, sí. My dog is here. Because pues, babu. My dog gets the hiccups a ton. I don't know if that's a bad thing. All right, so uh, I'm gonna place this S&P 500 long with you here. I'm not a bad guy. Okay, so I'm gonna hit that 50-minute imbalance with this breaker. Yeah, it's a very nice spot. And I'm gonna place my stop losses below below the lows here. Um, Mid session, I'm using these two lows as structural lows. I think it's okay. And I'm gonna target that imbalance right here. Uh, um, that's the trade. That's the idea. So let me place that. Let me place it. Oh, let me place it. Oh my God. We have a 4.0, 4.8 R. Yeah, I mean, we have a 4.8 R. I'm because of Jolt's opening, I should place my stop losses here. Let me think about this. A 3.67 R. It's good enough. Yes, I will do just that. Just because we have Jolt's opening. Just because we have Jolt's opening. Going to place that. Going to stop loss this. I am going to target that fucking imbalance. Yeah. If I get stopped out on this, I'll send the Nasdaq. Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. 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 We have liquidity. We have balance. We have breakers. We have everything. 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 Uh, if anybody can tell me what did or who I made reference just now, gets a 1 month free on my VIP group. It's that easy. Everything, everything. All right, so let me send this to my VIPs. All right. And I said, God damn. Yeah. So this is a what? 3.5 R? Yeah. My risk is always 0.50%. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna stay here on my live show through Jolt's opening, right? I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs. Oh, where is it here? All right, mates, how are you? So, I'm looking at longs here on the S&P 500. And if you notice, we are 5 minutes away from, Jolt's job openings, and we are looking at a possible lower number than the previous month. So, that's good because I'm gonna use that bearish pressure on the S&P 500 to get triggered long here. So basically, what I'm looking at here is a very nice market structure shift move, and then a pullback towards my imbalance breaker, etc. My point of interest with the liquidation of this week lows. Remember that we have the trap here. Bram, boom, boom. Hold on. We have the, you know what? I'll delete. I can't delete everything, so I'll delete this. We have the trap. I'm going to use the correct lines. You know, this is just so fucking amazing. We have the trap here. We have the liquidity at the trap. So hoping for the liquidation or looking forward. Never hope anything when trading. Looking for the liquidation of these weak players. And I'm going to target that imbalance to the upside that brought, that saw the surge of sellers that broke with the structure and brought market all the way down here. So that's my trade, mates, and I'll keep you posted. All right, hope you understand. What the fuck? I need to shut this. I don't even know why I'm subscribed to this fucking channel. Mute notification, select one, mute. No sound, save. You know what? Mute notifications. Mute for everything. Mute for mute. Mm-hmm.
3 minutes now until the top, when we get the US data in the form of JOLTS job openings for January, looking for 8.85 million on a prior 9.026 million. Wholesale inventories, January final, month on month, looking for minus 0.1% to be unrevised. Trade sales, looking for 0.3%. We also have Powell testifying live. You can find the link for that, as a reminder, on the board and Twitter.
All right. Let's wait for this possible setup, right? S&P 500, as you know, everything. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some reels. So what's up, man? Short EU, GU, and Aussie U. Well, mate, looks like you are long on the US dollar. Hope you don't get fucked. Why, and also why would you short three markets to place the same trade on the US dollar? That's just stupid to me. My fee, what? Buy limit?
1 minute now.
Let's see. 20 buy limit 21.29. Buy limit 21.29.50. Stop loss 21.26.50. TP. It's TP, mate. The third one is the TP 21.50. Yeah. All right. Let's see.
Ten seconds. 8.863 million for the Jolts
Alright.
job openings. That's 8.863 million.
Come on, let's get triggered now.
Wholesale inventories
We
month
got
on
the
month
figure
minus
we wanted.
0.3% unrevised, and the trade sales minus 1.7%. So just to recap there, in the US, Jolts job openings 8.863 million for January. Wholesale inventories month on month minus 0.3%. We're expecting a minus 0.1, and the trade sales minus 1.7%. Prior revised down for the Jolts job openings to 8.889 million from 9.026 million. Prior for trade sales also revised down to 0.3% from 0.7%.
All right, so there you go, guys. I'm gonna log out. Nothing to do here but wait to get triggered or not.
Polish Central Bank repeats it may intervene on the FX market. They see CPI for this year between 2.8 and 4.3% versus their prior 3.2 and 6.2%.
Yeah, so now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a fucking waiting game. Where are you? Here you are. Oh shit, yeah. Hold on. Oh man, that's right. Oh boy, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Delete. Okay. SPX 500. All right, I'm gonna retype this. Thank you, man. I really need a cup of coffee. SPX 500. It's a buy limit. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, thank you. Ah, I haven't placed it. There you go. Oh shit, I haven't placed it myself. Fuck. Oh boy. So this is the one, and I have a thing with round numbers. You already know that. Um, I'll do a 3.9 lot. Place. All right. So shit. I'm sorry, mate. All right. So buy limit stop loss at.
Worth noting in the Jolts data, the quits rate fell to the lowest level since August 2020.
So this is a 3.8R, right? I think so. I'll do 3.5R. 3.5R. Risk is a 0.50%. Okay, thank you for that, mate. I was super wrong.
Nikki Haley officially ends her 2024 presidential bid, making Trump the presumptive GOP nominee. That just confirms news reports that we heard earlier.
All right, I'm not deleting this. Gold looking good. And the S&P 500 looking good. All right, let's see if we can get triggered here. All right, mates. So that's me. Thank you for joining me. And I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. If you want my trades, mates, you know what to do. Just subscribe to my VIP channel. The link is everywhere.